What do you look for in a man? The hell you talking about? What do I look for? A woman? I don't look for nothing in no man. Hold on, stop with the gifts. Hold on, slow down. Hold on, wait a minute, stop. Everybody stop the gifts. Wait a damn minute. Wait, hold on, man. What is you talking about, bro? What do I look for in a man? What do you mean by that? What are you saying? What you mean by that, bro? What you mean by that, bro? No, that wasn't no damn typo. Man is 3 letters. M-A-M-A-N. I don't know if he put men or a man.